Marriages of nowadays doesn't last. It's so difficult to have an independent woman. That woman, she is respecting you. You understand it? It's so difficult because, guys, the woman, when we have got our own money, especially money, guys, women will love money than our husbands. You understand it? Women will love money than men. When you saw those women who are selling their body, they don't want men. You understand? They don't want those men. They want money. You understand? Because, guys, women will love money. When you have got money, most of our women, we don't respect our men. You understand? Especially when a woman earns a lot of money than your husband. It's so difficult, guys, to respect that man. It's so difficult when a woman, she is so independent. You understand? She is independent. Maybe at the first time you are dating with your wife, maybe she doesn't have a lot of money. She is not working. She is not employed. You love each other. You understand? When a woman, she able to be employed, she is earning her own salary. She lost respect on you most of the times. That's why marriages nowadays doesn't last. You understand it? Just because, guys, she starting lost respect on in you. And especially, guys, when you are paying your school fees. Maybe she was at school, you are starting dating. Maybe your woman, she was at school, so you are supporting her, paying her school fees, doing everything for her. When she once employed, you understand, she is starting changing. Maybe starting earning a lot of money than your a lot of salary than your salary. You understand? Women, we will change because when we are starting working, we are being independent. You are seeing a man, most of them, they are starting seeing that you are not her type most of the times. Maybe she is starting looking down. You understand? She is looking you like another person most of the times. Woman doesn't respect you when she earned a lot of money. You are very lucky when you have got your woman who respects you most of the times. Maybe she is independent. She have got her own car. She have got her own properties. She respects you. You understand? It's so difficult nowadays. That's why you saw marriages of nowadays doesn't last. And most of the times, those people we have got money, they are not happy in their marriages. They are not happy at all.